I've been selling on Creative Fabrica for just around a year now, and I wanted to take you through my journey and earnings so far. I'm trying to get you guys to diversify your income streams. So if Creative Fabrica is something you're interested in, then watch this full video. So if you're unsure about what Creative Fabrica is and why it's so important to your print on demand and KDP business, I'll just take you through a quick walkthrough. And if you go onto their website, then you can see you've got access to many different types of fonts. You've got graphics as well, including logos, illustrations, background, and many different types of KDP interiors. You've also got an AI tool that you can use as well to create many different types of designs. You've got access to crafts, needlework, classes as well. So if you want to develop any part of your business, then they've got some good classes in there. You've got CF Premium, which is just official designs from some brands. Then you've also got access to a lot of tools such as Font Cloud. And then you've got access to bundles, just where designers will put some of their best designs together in a bundle. Just before we get into the video, I'd like to let you guys know about an all-access free trial that Creative Fabrica are currently running. It's a 1-month free trial with 10 download credits, and you get access to millions of graphics, fonts, classes, and so much more. Once the free trial ends, then you will be put on a subscription for $9 a month, or you can upgrade to the yearly plan, which works out to $4.99 a month, which is much more affordable, and you'll have personal, commercial, and full print-on-demand use of all the files included. You are free to cancel at any time, but Creative Fabrica has been an essential tool to my KDP business, and if you're interested in this, I'll leave a link in the description. So let's get into my earnings and journey so far with Creative Fabrica. So my first payout I actually did in May last year. As I said before, I started in February, but I didn't take my first payout until May. So in February, I only earned roughly $7. I uploaded around 40 designs, but as you usually do when start out on any platform, you just upload what you think people are looking for. And that was a reason why I didn't make too much that month. But once I started to use the search analytics, you can see in the left hand corner, and I started to base my designs around what people are actually searching for, then I started to see my earnings increase. So in the month of March, I actually had a bit of a jump up where I earned around $50, and then during the month of April I earned around $58, and it was becoming a more consistent income stream. Then it was after this month that I did start to promote Creative Fabrica a little bit more on my channel. Another great way you can earn money with Creative Fabrica through affiliate marketing. So my earnings did slightly increase during the month of June. That's where I earned $64.30, but it was not until July where I started to have the biggest jump up, and the affiliate marketing earnings was slightly increasing, and I was doing around maybe $20-30 each month on top. So I earned $125.60 in July, and then after that in August I earned $115.89. Then I did see a slight decrease in September, followed by another decrease during the month of October. So that month I only earned $49.79 at that point. So I had uploaded over 300 designs to Creative Fabrica, and from that point I became quite complacent, and I haven't actually uploaded much to the website since. And I also hadn't made too many designs around what people are looking for during that season. So the next month I actually saw a huge increase where I earned $109.39. Then in December I earned $54.48, followed by January, which was $72.16, and then finally the last month, so February, where I did see a drop again, and I earned only $40.95. But as I was saying before, since September I've only uploaded 2 designs, so you really do need to be consistent in order to be earning consistent amounts on the platform. So if we take a look at the total amount that I've earned since starting on Creative Fabrica, you can see that I have earned $936.92, and it's been an awesome experience with Creative Fabrica so far. This is great side income money alongside my other online business. So as well as using many of Creative Fabrica's designs in your own print on demand business, think about also selling on the platform. You might have a lot of KDP interiors or t-shirt designs that, you're maybe not using, that you can just put up there and earn some passive income, as I've been doing. So what I've specifically been selling on Creative Fabrica is Canva templates, KDP interiors, SVG files, keywords, and illustrations. Now, two other YouTube channels that I'd like to give a shout out that have really been helpful on my Creative Fabrica journey. So the first one is Gene R. And if you take a look at his channel, you can actually see that he's earned over $8,000 from Creative Fabrica. And he's got a lot of useful tips and techniques on how to boost your income on the platform. And then the second channel I wanted to talk about is CF Sellers, and she's got a lot of useful information on the platform, and she really goes into detail about everything to do with the marketplace. Now, if you're interested in getting started in selling on Creative Fabrica, I've actually got a video that takes you through the sign up process, and it's just this video here, how to sell on Creative Fabrica and make passive income. Then I've also documented my journey so far in a lot more detail. So if you need a kind of step-by-step guide throughout your journey, then you can watch that playlist. So thanks for watching another video. Let me know your thoughts about Creative Fabrica in the comments section, and I'll also leave a link to my Creative Fabrica playlist here.